Hi everyone, welcome back to our Blackboard video series. I hope these videos have been helpful to you and that you've been able to use them in your classes. Today we're going to talk about making a video submission. Now this is not something that happens in every class, but in some classes your professors might ask you to make a video instead of writing out your answers to an assignment or a discussion board. I'm going to show you how to make a video inside Blackboard in a discussion board so that you can add it in. And this will be helpful especially if you have speech classes or other classes. Sometimes your professors might even let you choose. So if you don't like typing or writing very much, you can give your answer as a video. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I am already in the discussion board page of my class. So we're going to start out here, and the first thing you're going to do is click these little three dots right on the side, and that gives you a whole extra menu down here. Now, there's a little plus on the side, so if we click this, it will let us insert some kind of media or files. So we're going to click Kaltura Media Submission, and it takes us over to this screen. So here you can see other recordings that I've done for other classes, and I'm going to click Add New. Now here, if you already have a video, like if you know how to record your videos on your laptop, you did it already, you save it as a file, you can just choose Media Upload, and then add the file in, choose your file, put it in, and you're done. I'm going to show you how to actually make the video in Kaltura. So when we click Add New, we're going to choose Express Capture. Express Capture will open up this little window, and you'll be able to see your video here on the screen. Now before you start recording, it's very important that you make sure that your setting looks nice. So for example, there are some windows in this room. Don't sit with your back to a window. It's going to be really bright and it's going to make it hard to see your face, and it's going to make your video look unprofessional. So make sure that there's as blank as possible a background behind you. If there's a few things, it's okay, but try not to have too much action or busyness in the back. And then you want it to be not too bright behind you. You want light coming onto your face, not onto the back of your head, so that people can actually see you when you talk. So to start your video, it's very easy. I'm going to click this little record button. It gives me a 3, 2, 1. And now I'm starting my video. So you can usually start your video with a little introduction. Hi, today I'm going to talk about whatever it is. Or you get straight to the question. It just depends on the assignment. Now when you're done talking, you can press again the little stop, and the video will be ready for you.
Now I'm starting my video.
Okay, so as you can see, as soon as you stop it, it plays the video back for you so you can check whether you like it or not. If you like it, you can click Use This. If you don't like it, click Record Again. So I'm going to say we liked the video. I'm going to click Use This, and then it prepares it for me. If you need to add some kind of a description or a title, maybe you want to change the name of the video, you can do that, and then you will click Save and Embed. At that point, it will put it into your discussion board. So here it is. My little video is in the discussion board. If you need to write something also in the discussion board, maybe to explain your video, maybe to add to it, it just depends on the assignment. You can do that and then click Submit, and you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video has been helpful to you and that you'll be able to use this in some of your classes. As always, if you have any questions or you're not sure about something in Blackboard, feel free to reach out to the tutoring at the International Office and we will help you with whatever you need. See you next time.